Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the SF6 circuit breaker. So here the name SF6 is given because we are using over here sulfur hexafluoride gas as a quenching medium or for the operation of our circuit breaker. So we'll discuss in detail SF6 in further slides. So SF6 or sulfur hexafluoride circuit breaker is used for an arc quenching medium. So we'll use this kind of gas as a arc quenching medium. The main property of SF6 is that it is electronegative gas. So we can say that it will not produce any kind of reaction or electrolytic reaction with other component of available in the medium basically. So it will not absorb the heat actually we can say that. So it has a strong tendency to absorb the electrons, right? And when contact are opened in high pressure, flow of SF6 gas are produced. So during its working, when the contacts are open under normal condition, so they are closed in a normal condition, and when there will be a fault occur, it will open with a high pressure as the SF6 will be produce a very high pressure during the arc produce. The next is free electron in the arc are captured by the gas. So it's the tendency because it is the electronegative gas. So free electron in the arc are captured by the gas. The next is it build up enough insulation strength to extinguish the arc. So it behave like a insulation gas as well. So it will directly extinguish the arc. It is more effective for high power and high voltage services. So in where the high power application or high voltage application will require, so in long transmission line or in a substation of like 220 kV 132 kV, we will utilize the SF6 kind of circuit breaker. And nowadays SF6 and vacuum circuit breaker are widely used due to this reason. So this is the main construction part of our circuit breaker. So you can see that over here the inlet of SF6 gas, right? So there are two contacts basically. One is your moving contact and another is your fixed contact. So this fixed contact is nothing but where the arc will take place, right? And the SF6 gas will be over there, and whenever there is a fault condition, then there will be arc produced. So SF6 will be extinguish this arc as a like quenching medium. And similarly it is basically connected with insulated operating members as well, so it will behave like also a insulating material as well. So this is nothing but a type of construction of our SF6 circuit breaker. So during its working we can say that in this circuit breaker sulfur hexafluoride gas is used as the arc quenching medium. And SF6 is all, as we aware that it is an electronegative gas basically, so have strong tendency to absorb the electrons. And the contactor breaks are opened in high pressure of the flow of SF6 gas, and that will struck the arc between them. The conducting free electrons are rapidly captured by the gas from the relatively immovable negative ion. So this is the main function of your SF6 circuit breaker. Now if we'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages, SF6 have more advantage in comparison to its disadvantage. So we can say that in advantage there is no risk of fire in such breaker because SF6 is a non-inflammable gas. So that is the main point, we should always use the SF6. Otherwise in oil circuit breaker or in a circuit breakers there is a maximum chances that there will be a hazard of fire basically. And due to the superior arc quenching property, SF6 circuit breaker have a short arcing time. You can say the short arcing time means the arc produced during its operation will be minimized in a short time period. And the next, it will have a dielectric strength because it will behave like an insulating material as well when the contacts are moving. And so it have nothing but 2 to 3 times that of the air circuit breaker, and which can interrupt much larger current as well. So SF circuit breaker gives noiseless operation due to closed gas circuit, because we already see that the arc chamber is closed or totally insulated, so it will produce very less noise in its operation and no exhaust atmosphere, unlike air blast circuit breaker. And there is a no flame, no fumes or other gases will be produced as a byproduct during its operation. But there are some disadvantages of this, because SF6 is gas is very costly in comparison to like vacuum or some air kind of medium we are using. So high cost is the main reason. And the next is, after every operation, SF6 has to be reconditioned, so additional equipment is required for this purpose, so obviously the cost will be increased over there. Thank you very much. This is all about the SF6. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on circuit breaker. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.